Rotating an image is as basic of photo editing as it gets. So it shouldn't take much while, right? Well, if you are at a clunky software, maybe not. But today, I'll show you how you can quickly and instantly rotate a PNG with Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has all the answers to your design needs. So to get to our editor, just type in pixelied.com/upload and here we are. Now to upload your image, you can either drag and drop your image here, or you can just click on this button and select an image from your storage. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelide's editor. Now to rotate this PNG, just click on this dot right over here and then you can rotate it all the way like this. So let me just keep it like this. Okay, now what more can we do with Pixelide? So first of all, let's change this background color. So just click over here and then now you can either add a hex code or you can just change the slider and select a color like this. Okay, now let's also add a text to it. So just go over to this text tab and you'll find you can either add a text from this or you can choose from this really cool text styles library. So this text style library is fairly endless and I'm sure you can find something that fits perfectly with your graphic. So for example, for this graphic, I'm going to select this. So just click on it and it will appear on your artboard. Now I'll just select this and click the delete key, because I don't need it. And I'll set this here. And again, to change its color, I can click over here, either add a hex code or just select the color white from here. Okay. So now let's download this image. So to download this image, just click on this download button, select a format. Let's again select the PNG format, click the download button again, and our image has downloaded. And this is how it looks. Alright, so we saw how easy it is to upload your PNG file to the Pixelight editor, rotate it, change its background color, and then even add a text to it. And that's the thing about Pixelight. You can do almost everything just as easily. So go ahead to pixelight.com/upload, upload your files and make some aesthetic changes to them. Also, stick to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon because Pixelight has a lot for you in store.